Hello students, you are welcome to the section 2 of this course NSC 207. In this session, we are going to discuss the relevance and scope of microbiology. Modern microbiology is a large discipline with different specialized areas. This is because entire ecosystem depends on activities of microorganisms, and microorganisms influence human society in countless ways, both positively and negatively. It has a great impact on medicine, agriculture, food science, ecology, genetics, biochemistry, and other fields. In this session, we shall examine the different aspects of microbiology. We will see the beneficial and harmful effects of microorganisms. When you complete this session, you should be able to describe the branches of microbiology, to explain different ways in which microorganisms are beneficial to man, and also explain how they could be harmful to man. In this diagram, you are seeing the microorganism. This microorganism has three sides. It has the good, which you are seeing here. And when you talk of the good microorganism, you could see those people that are relevant for growth and development. You can see those that are also relevant for tolerance to abiotic factors. But what we understand better are those that are found in the body that we refer to as normal flora. They are there for protection against pathogens. They are in your body to protect you against pathogenic organisms entering your body system. They are called the good ones. The bad ones are also found in plants. These are the bad ones. They cause plant diseases. And these plant diseases can also affect man. That is why they are called bad. But the ugly ones are just highly constituting hazard to human being. They can cause food contamination. So when man eats that food, there is a problem and they will cause food poisoning. So microorganism has those three aspects: the good, the bad, and the ugly. Also, we look at the branches of microbiology. There are two main branches. The first one being basic microbiology. The second one is applied microbiology. Basic branch of microbiology is concerned with the study of biology of microorganisms. You are studying microorganisms as microorganisms. You want to study how they look like, you want to study their structure, you want to study their characteristics. That is what they call basic microbiology. It involves studying bacteria. You can study fungus, you can study parasites. Like you have bacteriology, mycology, and other form of cytology. And talk of applied microbiology. This one has to do with the aspect that deals with practical application of microorganisms to solve problems in diseases, water and waste management, as well as food spoilage and food production. In this area, that is why you study medical microbiology, industrial microbiology, as well as agricultural microbiology. They are applied also as industrial microbiology. Large scale of microbiology, where bioorganisms are used to produce certain medicinal products and vaccines. Also, aquatic one is also available, and you have one that we use in public health microbiology, where we study communicable diseases. Also, in food and dietary, in the dietary microbiology is where we use seeds, yogurt, wine, and beer, where we use to prevent microbial spoilage of food and transmission of food-borne diseases. So these and many more are where you can apply your microbiology apart from the basic branch of microbiology. We now look at the beneficial effects of microorganisms. Microorganisms are beneficial to man. They can be beneficial and you consider their input in food production. Food and beverages we consume are a product of microorganisms because microbial produce or food products have been found to have basic properties that are very beneficial to fermentation in man. Also, you can talk of production of drugs. Microorganisms are also used to produce pharmaceutical products such as antibiotics, steroids, vitamins, and hormones. So they are used to produce drugs that could be used to kill pathogenic microorganisms. Also in hygiene, we can use microorganisms. They are used also in energy production as well as in the study of science and recovery of metal from their metal house. Also in sewage treatment, microorganisms are also found very useful in those areas. Also, looking at the effect of microorganisms, the first effect you can think of is that they cause diseases in human being. They cause diseases in human being. The ones we come to mind easily is HIV/AIDS, which is caused by immunodeficiency virus, which we know as HIV. Tuberculosis is also a disease of bacteria. Cholera is also one of them. Malaria is also caused by 4 varieties of protozoa. Plasmodium, we call Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, and Plasmodium ovale. So the 4 are agents that causes malaria in human being. Also, harmful effect of microorganisms is found in biological warfare, where they are being used to make some weapons that can destroy a whole country within minutes. There are 4 kinds of biological warfare agents: bacteria, viruses, fungi, and rickets. They are living microorganisms that reproduce within their host victim, who then become contagious with deadly diseases. So when they send these diseases to human population, they can destroy them within months. So these are how they are used in biological warfare. You can now see the diagram that shows beneficial and harmful microorganisms. These are the microorganisms, and you see that these microorganisms are found here, and they have their harmful effect in this way, they have their useful effect in this way. So all we have discussed so far on their harmful effects are represented by this diagram. You will see the cholera and some other disease, AIDS, malaria are found on their harmful side. Also, on the useful side, you see that they are used by people and are used by in the ecosystem. And what they are used to do in those areas are what we have highlighted in this program, as we have discussed earlier on. When next we meet, we will be discussing other various aspects of microorganisms. Until then, I thank you for listening and see you in the next class. Thank you.